Hey folks, Mike Ray with the Mike Ray team. We're going to do another talk on insurance. Li-Hsi from U Agency in West U gave some great information last week. Today we're going to talk a little bit about flood insurance and some of the changes, and really it's pretty dynamic right now, is that correct?
Very dynamic. A lot of things happening in the flood insurance world these days, and the hottest topic that's going on is people are asking me what's happening to my flood zone and what's happening to the flood rates. Flood zones are looking at changing them, but the hottest topic is FEMA has slotted this new thing called Risk Rating 2.0, and I've got a document here that we'll make available to you guys with a link. But Risk Rating 2.0 is the new version of how FEMA is going to rate flood risks all across the nation. Now, they're supposed to make it easier. They're going to change it, but right now, if you're in zone X, which is the low to moderate risk zone, you get a rate, and it's a base rate. If you live in the high risk zone, it's a totally different rate that's rated based on your elevation. Risk Rating 2.0 is going to add a few more components to that, and that the components are going to be how far are you from a flooding source like the coast. A flooding source is kind of a gray area. We don't know if that's a bayou, a lake, but it is coastal. If you go closer to the coast, you're going to pay a little bit more, but it also is going to add how much is your home worth. And so right now there's no real bearing as far as how much your home's worth. They just say, hey, if you want a flood insurance policy, it's this amount, but they're going to add a couple of more components and change the way that they rate your flood insurance. So October 2020 is the date that they are targeting this to go into effect, but they're working on the processes right now of changing the flood rates. So just be careful, beware that this is happening, and the closer you are to the coast, the more that you may pay for flood insurance.
And is there anything that people can do now, or is there's nothing that they can check into or do now? It's just a question. It's going to happen. We don't know what the ultimate scenario is going to be.
That is correct. There's nothing that you can do right now. There's no reason to worry. I mean, the documents that we'll make available to you is an overview of what's happening and some frequently asked questions. But the next common question is, how much is my rate going to increase? We don't know if it's going to increase or decrease, but don't worry about anything, but just know that this is coming.
There you go, folks. So we'll be back again next month with more information. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, we have the information linked to this video, or feel free to reach out to me. And Leash, you want to give your information in case anyone wants to reach out?
My email address is leash@agencyyu.com, or you can just go to our Facebook page and like the Agency U Insurance Agency. Thank you so much.
There you go. Thanks, guys. Take care.